It's only a heavy hands and so I came to see him to listen for a while. And there he was, the young boy, younger,
Strangers to my eyes, only when my fingers sing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life
with his son, killing me softly. With his son, feel a flash with fever, but was by the ground. I feel the found my latest wrist out of loud. Pray that he would finish, but he just kept right on, stirring my pain with his fingers, killing my life with his word, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song,
Binaliktad ko.
with his song, killing me softly with his song. Show me more. If you got to go to the football and when the rain has come,
Andrew Ibrad.
Okay, boy, wala ko dactris.
Banyok yun nga. Siya ba yun?
Ilagay yung ano niya.
Yung ano.
Ano, Petel? Ha?
I-search mo dyan.
Sige.
I-search mo dyan. Hindi kasi na.